Bum 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 bum.
Hello, hello.
Bum bum.
You're listening to Voyage to Self, where we discuss personal development, motherhood, and lifestyle.
Good morning, y'all. Yeah, I'm up bright and early and ready to get the day started. Good morning. So, yeah, as you can see, I'm just getting out of bed, funky and all. About to, I guess, get dressed and get this baby in a bathtub. Y'all gotta see his bathtub. It's like really cute. It's adorable. But yeah. Oh, he's still tired. He's still sleepy. He ain't a sleepy baby. He ain't a sleepy baby. He ain't a sleepy baby. But yeah, like I said, as you can see, I'm up. I'm up, y'all. I'm ready to start this day. I need to make a plan. I need to be consistent about what I'm doing throughout the day. Like, now that I'm a mom, I can't just get up and go and do whatever, like, on the spot. I gotta actually plan for things because it just makes things harder on myself when I don't. Started. Isn't it cute? Look! And there's this button here, turned off and back on. And this right here adjusts the power. That's another way, I guess, you can turn it off and bring it all up. If you want it a little slower, you can do that. And the thing also swivels, so. Oh, and it comes off. Like, come on now. Like so, yeah, twist it. I keep forgetting to twist and then lift it up. And pretty much the same thing to bring back down. Anyways, I love it. I love it. I love it. And back. Alright, let me quit playing with it before I break it. Bath time. Hey y'all, so I guess I took way too much time getting the bath and everything together, and my son just fell asleep. So I'm gonna go take my shower while I still can. And sorry, I'm still getting used to look at the camera. I'm gonna take my shower while I still can, and I'll be back. Alright. Yeah, this is weird. One of these days I'll get used to it. Alright, bye y'all. I was just given this, I was given this as a gift for my baby before he was even born, like maybe when I was about 7 months pregnant, 8 months pregnant, I can't remember. But I got this tub, and I saw a lot of reviews on Amazon talking about how they couldn't really get it to work and things like that. But it's a really cool tub. Like, you can this is detachable, so it can go wherever side you want. If you want to go on this side, if you want to go on that side, front, back, or wherever. Anyway, the point of me making this video is just to show you guys that this button, it does work. Hold on, wait. This is the levels, by the way. I'm just going to turn it on. This button, it works. Look at that. Look at that. Take the thing off. And I'm going to show you how I got it to work. Like, I literally just found out how to get this thing to work today. My baby is 4 months old, and I'm a little swole because, hold on, let me hook it up all the way. This little holder thing goes there. I don't even use it because, I don't know, I just soap up his rag or whatever. But let me show you how crazy it is. Like, I'm pretty sure it was probably in the instructions. It was probably in the manual somewhere. I'm swole about this because my baby's 4 months old, and I'm just now figuring out how to make this thing work. And it's stupid when you see it. Like, it's gonna be real dumb. You're gonna be like, why haven't I been figuring this thing out? Like, that's obvious. It's like a no-brainer. So, well, I guess unless you're not good at like putting puzzle pieces together. I love putting stuff together. So that's how I figured it out. I'm really good at putting puzzles together and things like that. Or just putting objects together just by looking at how the pieces connect. Anyway, back to the point of this video. Let me show you a little song. Let me show you how this. I'm gonna turn it off real quick because that was annoying whenever I saw that. I'm like, all these months. And I could have just kept, because I've just been using it without this whole, like, this hose thing, because it all comes apart. You can just take it right off. But I'm gonna show you without taking it apart all the way. So this attachment right here, you know, you gotta make sure it's inside the thing. But there's this area where you have to connect the two pieces together. You see that little zigzag up in there? I don't know if I can hold it somehow. See, well, I'm gonna just take it apart and hopefully you see what the difference is. I'll be right back. Alright, so not only do you want to make sure that like the button inside of here matches the white button, so you can turn it on and off, but you also have to connect these little, I don't know what to call them, little knobs, nibbles, I don't know what you want to call them. Connect them into this little zigzag pattern right in there. This thing. And it should work every single time. The button should work every time. And I'm swole, I just now figured out that's how. Don't put it all the way in though. Like, don't put it all the way to that end, just like right there. You don't want to snap it in because then I guess the button won't work that day. I mean, not that day. What am I talking about? You don't want to snap it in because the button ain't gonna work, okay? So make sure it's not all the way in, just should look like that. Okay, this is the entire thing. This is at the bottom. The tubing goes out the back door. And everything else goes on top. Alright, because I could have been using this little hose thing. Look, it even comes with its own little brush. It's adorable. I love this thing. And we got it off of the Mac discount app. So we got it for about 30 bucks. Probably less than that. I think it was like 20. I don't even remember. It was a gift. My parents got it for me for my son. But what was I saying? It's an $80 bathtub for a baby. It's called My First Years. You can get it off of Amazon, Mac discount, wherever. I don't know. I got mine off of Mac discount. I'm pretty sure you can get it off of Amazon. I've seen the reviews on Amazon, and like at first I was like some of the other customers, I'm like, this thing doesn't work the way it's supposed to. No, I just didn't install it incorrectly. Sometimes, you know, like things are user mistake, and at this point it was a user mistake. I made a mistake. And now that I know about this mistake that I've made, I'm ready to wash my baby up. I mean, I feel like I spent too much time explaining the situation. I'm pretty sure everyone gets the point. I'm gonna continue on my day and wash up my baby. Alright. Bye, y'all.
Hey, thanks for stopping by Voyage to Self. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for the algorithm. Do all three if you're really feeling up to it. But if you really like my content, check out my next video. Bye.